I like it cut, G.
Warning. This video contains really sadistic content that might be unsuitable for people under the age of 11 unless they are accompanied by an adult. Viewers' discretion is advised. Disclaimer. Please, do not watch this really late at night, because this might cause you to have nightmares. And please, don't show this to babies or toddlers. And you may think I'm being a bit cruel, but please, if you have to watch it, please be at least 9 years old, or a person that doesn't get scared easily, and please show this to your parents before watching it. Enjoy the video.
Boo.